There we go. There they are. Look at that.
Oh, that's cool.
They are sparring right
Yeah.
there.
Where?
You can see them in this camera better than you can.
Boy, they are just standing each other off.
Can you lift me?
There they are.
Oh,
Yeah,
wow.
they are.
That was cool. Look at them.
I am, Bob. Can you see them out there, you guys?
They do. There must be a
Yes,
hen
Monty.
around or
Here.
something.
Where's
Look at the long tail
Look at 'em
feathers
go.
on
See
them.
'em?
I see it right there.
Yeah.
Lift me.
Wow, that's amazing.
Okay, you got to see him. Now it's Max's turn. If I can lift you. Oh my God, you're heavy. Can you see him? See him? Look. See? Huh.
That's the
so
first
weird.
time in the wild I've ever seen this
Okay.
out of my whole lifetime.
Let's go on blue mirror girl.
I did. I did.
No, about like let speaker talk.
I know. I can't find it though.
No, like the telephone. Telephone.
Okay, like this.
Mirror girl. Oh.
This is just girl in the mirror is all it's coming up. Oh, oh, whoa, oh, oh, whoa, oh, oh, whoa, what's up? It's your boy, Silver.
Right behind the tumbleweed there still.
I've never heard that song before.
Well,
Okay.
looks like they settled down finally.
Maybe
One became the
the
conqueror. Yeah, they're gonna walk away from each other maybe.
I started the graveyard there. So just listen to these. I'll see if I can find the other ones.
This one happened quite recently. Once upon a time, there were two children. Wouldn't that
Well,
be
they're
fun
hiding out now.
if they could play in the woods?
They don't want to be videotaped anymore.
That's silly. Uh-oh. Oh, no.
Yes, you kids can go,
Oh, no.
but you be careful when
I'm
you
in
get out
the-
on the
there.
graveyard dare.
That's the
Two
one.
great big
That's all I
Chinese
think.
pheasants sparring it out.
Ugh.
Oh, what side?
No, you're stuck with this right
All
now.
stories begin once upon a time.
I don't like it.
We're not giving it a chance.
Well,
Give
they're
it a
all
chance.
done.
In fact,
Bob Mack out.
quite recently,
Thanks for watching.
was Halloween